everyone, Margaret here. I tried to do Quicksicles earlier this week, not once, but twice, with epic fails. I don't know what was wrong. It never had happened to me before, so go figure, on live it would. But let me show you today, different recipe. Last time I didn't follow a recipe. That was probably my first mistake. I don't think I had enough fruit in the mixture. I did peaches and half and half and some agave nectar. And I think I had too much half and half in that mixture because you really need something, hi Angie, to have pretty good sugar content, like fresh fruit juice or fruit juice works great for these. And you can even add a little bit of, rum or vodka or that kind of thing. There's lots of recipes on pamperchef.com. All I did here was I took watermelon, just chunks of watermelon, put them in the manual food processor, blend. It liquefies really fast. Stuck them in one of these flexible silicone prep bowls because then I can flex it to fill it in the hole, and then fill it up so far, about to the edge, and then stick your Quicksicle stick right in there. Now, let me explain what a Quicksicle Maker is. This is a contraption. Do I have enough left to make one? No, I think this is it. I already made one. Mike ate it. I had to test it. I wasn't trusting myself. So this guy sits in the freezer, you guys. It has some kind of gel in between all the walls, and it's pretty heavy and thick walls. It needs to freeze at least 24 hours. Then you pull it out of the freezer. You have these Quicksicle sticks. Actually, well, you can't see them now because I've got the others are put away. It comes with 6 and a key. You fill the wells with your juice, your fruit pureed, and again, there's lots of recipes on Pampered Chef website. And then stick your popsicle in there. You got to do it really quick, your popsicle stick. And then it freezes right on your counter. So this one that we just poured is going to take 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the mixture, to get solid. Once it's solid, this one's been in here for about 8 minutes, you turn the key. So they have a hole in them with see, there's a little screw mechanism. And then it lifts it right out of the Quicksicle Maker. So you don't put them in the freezer. It makes popsicles like instantly. Well, 8 minutes, right? That's pretty quick. I just remember being a kid and my mom making popsicles, which we loved. She would use Kool-Aid, and you could use Kool-Aid in this too. And then it would take all day long to make the popsicles. But look at that. This is just watermelon. That's all it is. You could do any fruit that you puree. You could do fruit juice. So cool. And again, you can kind of booze them up if you want to do some adult popsicles. Stick a little rum in. Anyway, super fun, super easy. Then what I do, I have extra sticks. You can buy extra sticks on replacement parts. And I stick these after I've made them, if we have extras, in a Ziploc bag in the freezer, and then they're good to go. And then you just wash the popsicle stick in the dishwasher. So, watermelon Quicksicles. Pretty cool. It worked. I'm so glad. Everybody, have a wonderful weekend. Bye now. Angie, thanks for joining me.